Hello, I'm in a 2011 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to access your gas cover here so you can refill your tank. So as you can see, it's locked right now. So we'll go into the driver's door, open it up, and then from here you should see a little lever right here that you'll pull up on, and that should have released it. So now we'll go back, and sure enough, it's opened here. See, it was open. Redirections is needed, but just unscrew, fill with regular gas, and then screw back on. And then when you're finished, you close this back up, and it'll be safety secured again. If you're having issues with getting that open, maybe check the hinges and around here for debris or gunk stuck in here. Maybe something bent out of place. Hopefully you don't need anything replaced, but it's pretty affordable if needed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.